I have gone to many physical therapists for many different issues, trying to find a solution. And like I said, when I came to Brad, I was doing it as courtesy, and he has changed who I am. He has educated me. He has made me stronger physically and mentally, because I know I have someone in my corner who's going to help me and who's never going to say, well, I don't know what to do with you, because that's what all the other doctors and physical therapists have said. And Brad's like, nope, we're going to get you there. Well, I've seen several PETs in the last 25 years that I've dealt with my chronic illness. And when Heiser Health told me to go see Brad, I was like, I'll do it as a courtesy. I'll do it as a courtesy. I'll go meet him. And then the very first visit, he saw my skepticism and did some dry needling, and I had the first relief I've ever had in 25 years. So, and I've been coming back ever since. I didn't have an obstacle at the time. The price was right, and the timing and where he was right. It was my lack of want of having hope about something, and everybody else has treated me, do the same thing, cookie cutter, this is what you do. And Brad does everything very custom. He listens to your body, he listens to your words, and make sure that you're giving what I need. I had chronic migraines about 3 years. Every day, I might have one day where I didn't have one in 2 or 3 weeks. Chronic migraines, I had hemicranial continuo, which is constant pain on one side of my head. And I had fibromyalgia, a rotator cuff issue, and I had plantar fasciitis. Everything. When I came to see Brad, my days were pretty much spent in bed. I have a new grandbaby, and so it was pretty hard to have this new grandbaby and not be able to go and do and be with her because of the migraines and because of the neck pain and the shoulder pain. It was overwhelming. And now, when I leave here, I'm going to go watch her for 6-7 hours, and that's not a big deal anymore. I can do that, no problem. I've gone to many doctors, many different types of doctors. I've done the Botox for the migraines. I've done lots of different natural therapies, medications, natural supplements. I've done chiropractic, cupping, Reiki didn't help, acupuncture. So for some reason acupuncture doesn't do well, but I think it's because it's in those trigger points, and those get so sore for me. I've tried everything. I really have. I just kind of had given up on doctors and just said, okay, this is how I'm going to be. I'll live with it. It may sound corny and over the top, but if you had been able to see me before I came to see Brad, I didn't really have a quality of life. I might have a 1 or 2 days a month that I could go out to eat with my husband or spend time with family, because I was so sensitive to touch and light and noise, and I couldn't go do anything. And this has really changed my complete world, completely. I really like that Brad has educated me. He's given me this toolbox to where if I flare, I'm not freaking out. I know that I can text him and he can give me advice, or I have these tools and these exercises to do and he has gotten me in the next day if I need to. It's just having someone that is in this with me and does understand. And he's not wanting me to push myself to where it hurts. He wants me to do exactly what my body is letting me do, and then he's going to get me to the next level. And to have that partnership means a lot to me. Anyone watching this video, I have gone to many physical therapists for many different issues, trying to find a solution. And like I said, when I came to Brad, I was doing it as courtesy, and he has changed who I am. He has educated me. He has made me stronger physically and mentally, because I know I have someone in my corner who's going to help me and who's never going to say, well, I don't know what to do with you, because that's what all the other doctors and physical therapists have said. And Brad's like, nope, we're going to get you there. How would I describe it? Well, that's interesting, because my best friend and my family members are now coming to Brad because I did say that it's the first relief I've had ever. And I would say he's knowledgeable and he educates you. He's gentle, and you can rely on him. You can rely on this practice. Everybody at Focus has been so kind and reassuring and educated. That's the thing, is they know so much, which is